Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems like the correction finally on gold is beginning after a $30 drop in yesterday's price action. We saw CPI data coming in a little bit hotter than expected, but year on year the inflation went up by 0.1%, but it's still in line with figures and consensus. So there wasn't really many surprises that inflation had risen by another 1 percentage point, which would have actually been quite dramatic for the dollar. So that being said, we were waiting for a slight correction on gold after 7 or 8 really bullish sessions for the yellow metal. So we saw a bit more of a drop in yesterday's price action. Same on silver as well. Oil, on the other hand, I'm just going to have a quick look on that today, is just creeping higher due to more supply and demand, which is heading into the rest of the year. So with that being said, let's get right onto the charts. As you can see here, we were expecting with the RSI being majorly overbought as more of a correction before possibly, if we do get a support roughly about the 2140, 2145 level, which is not so far away, we could have another uptick in gold in the price action. But as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 progressive bullish days for gold, which saw over $100 being added, which is quite remarkable. If we go onto the 4-hour chart, we're just seeing now where the opportunities lie. As you can see at the moment, we're just having a slight consolidation and then correction. Obviously, the CPI data was a big catalyst in yesterday's trading session. We were expected that inflation was going to hold and not creep too much higher. And in that case, as you can see here, very, very overbought on the RSI, even on the 4-hour chart here. So there was expected to be a little bit more of a downturn on gold. How much of a downturn we'll obviously find out probably in today's trading and tomorrow's. But if we can hold, as I said, roughly around the 2140 area, 2145 area, this particular area, we could have another bounce to the upside. But obviously we'll bring you that information if it does happen. And if we do break this support, because obviously if we do break that support, we could have a V-shaped recovery back down to 2020, where we did see the uptick begin. So we'll see if that does come into fruition. On the oil chart, just wanted to quickly show you, because we did have a few of our traders asking about the direction of oil, and as you can see here, it's slowly creeping higher, and this is due to the fact that demand and supply has been revised for the rest of the year, and it is expected to start moving a bit higher as well. So we are creeping higher. Will we get to $100 in this quarter? It is going to be a bit unlikely, but stranger things have happened. Just depends where OPEC are going. Saudi Aramco giving their profit and losses statement as well, which is really shook up a lot of the market as well. So likelihood is we will see more of an uptick. If we do fall out of this particular bullish channel, then we could have more of a drop. But if we do hold roughly around the $74-75 area, then expect most probably a move higher. But we're just waiting to see if we're going to have more of the upswing or downswing at the moment. But of course, as usual, we'll bring you all the latest comings and goings in the commodity world. Gold, silver, oil, all the commodities, and we'll post this on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.